RealDex 1 tracks the speed and direction of moving objects and summarizes information across multiple frames. So even at 3 times the speed, it does not grab where the object was. It predicts where it will be. Hi Hyewon, did you see the demo? It's quite interesting.
Yeah, I did. This demo shows the key difference between our RealDex and the existing models. So the previous models takes only a single frame and decide what to do from that. So they have no temporal context. But in the real world, things are moving and people act by understanding these changes. So at low speed, it may be fine even without the understanding motions. But once you get to a real production speed, the model that takes only a single frame cannot predict where it will be. It fails to grab the object.
And the obvious fix, like just stacking more frames, actually doesn't work. We have tried it, memory explodes, inference slows down, but the model doesn't know what to focus on. It sees more, but it doesn't see better.
Exactly. Seeing more frames is not the same as understanding motion. That's why we built context-free. Instead of stacking raw frames, we compress them directly inside the model. This provides the model a sense of temporal context without the excessive computational overhead.
Plus, we integrate MOS into the vision encoder to capture what actually changes across frames, like the direction and speed of the moving objects. And this matters beyond the lab. In a real factory, conveyor speed change, objects come in different sizes. You can't reprogram the robot every time something changes.
True, that's what temporal context gives you. The robot reads the environment and adapts. No recalibration and no reprogramming. Anywhere things move, this is what makes deployment possible.
So this is RealDex, a model that doesn't just see, it understands how things move. We're gonna sharing a lot more demos like this, so stay tuned.